Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're thinking about starting your transcription journey, you might be wondering whether to apply to companies or find your own clients. Well, worry no more. We'll compare both options, highlighting the pros and cons, so you can make an informed decision. Let's get started. Applying to companies as a freelance transcriptionist. When you're starting as a freelance transcriptionist, applying to companies can be a tempting choice. Let's look at some advantages and disadvantages. Advantage 1. First up, steady work. Many companies have a consistent flow of transcription projects, ensuring a stable income for you. Advantage 2. Working with established companies can boost your reputation and portfolio, making it easier to attract more clients in the future. Advantage 3. Some companies offer support and training, helping you improve your transcription skills and become a more valuable asset. Disadvantage 1. However, keep in mind that companies might offer lower pay compared to finding your own clients. This can limit your earning potential. Disadvantage 2. You'll have less control over the type of projects you work on, and you might not always get the most exciting or fulfilling assignments. Disadvantage 3. Advancement opportunities within the company could be limited, potentially hindering your professional growth. Finding your own clients as a freelance transcriptionist. Now, let's explore the other side of the coin: finding your own clients as a freelance transcriptionist. Advantage 1. When you work with your own clients, you can set your own rates, giving you the potential to earn more for your hard work. Advantage 2. You'll enjoy the freedom to choose the projects and clients that align with your interests and schedule. Advantage 3. By working with diverse clients, you'll gain exposure to various industries and topics, making your job more exciting. Disadvantage 1. However, be prepared for inconsistent work, especially when starting. Finding clients might take time, leading to income fluctuations. Disadvantage 2. As you find your own clients, you'll need to invest time and effort in marketing yourself to attract potential customers. Disadvantage 3. Managing administrative tasks, like client communications, invoicing, and contracts, can be time-consuming. Disadvantage 4. Lastly, dealing with non-paying or slow-paying clients can be a real challenge, impacting your cash flow. As we wrap up this discussion, we want to leave you with a question. Do you prefer the stability and support that comes with working for a company, or are you drawn to the freedom and potential for higher earnings that come with finding your own clients? Both paths have their unique advantages and disadvantages, and the choice ultimately depends on your personal preferences and career goals. Take some time to reflect on what matters most to you and what aligns with your aspirations. Whether you decide to apply to companies as a freelance transcriptionist or venture out on your own to find direct clients, remember that your freelance journey is a dynamic and evolving one. You can always reassess and adapt your approach as you gain more experience and confidence in your abilities. No matter which path you choose, the world of freelance transcription offers exciting opportunities to showcase your skills, connect with diverse clients, and make a meaningful impact in the industry. We encourage you to explore both options, do your research, and take that leap into the world of freelance transcription with enthusiasm and determination. Whatever you decide, we wish you the best of luck and success in your freelance journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy transcribing!